and there's a lot more, but we'll just look at the two basic ones. And again, we'll look at the most basic. If black turns, it's so weak. If I can turn and get shape, and so that's weak. So black plays here. Then white comes out. Black kicks, and white probably just comes out. Because if white tries to settle, that group, we can see that group isn't exactly great. So we get out, now it's great, and a move like A is double gote. Whoever plays it, I mean, it's big and nice, and maybe white can get it in sente, but black can't get it in sente, so it's not that important. Okay. So those are the two basic ideas. So we can vote, A or B? R16 is straight out bad here. I see mostly A, so we'll play A. I, of course, will make a change. If I wanted to defend one of my stones, I'm using the word defense here. Which of my white stones is weaker when we mark them? A or B? And why? White. 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 Oh, Ryan. Surrounded in one move. As Mr. Yang calls it, B's the inside stone, A's the outside stone. If we take our straight edge and go straight across, B's on the inside of that, while the other one, we go straight across, we never surround it. It takes two to surround A. So B will be the one to defend, which I believe I will. Just so we don't play into the Kiseido we talked about. Some of you have heard about the old man that I used to play. He used to be one of the top 10 in Taiwan. I met him when he was almost 90. And the only English he knew was his age. 89, he would say proudly. 89! And we played once a week for about 3 years. And in those 3 years, we never played a Kiseido. He wouldn't hear of it. It was new every game. If we started a Kiseido, he'd find a way to break out of it and change it, so there's nothing memorized. Okay, where from black? I was about 1.5 stones stronger than him, so I always took white, and I took him to 2 stones about twice a year, and he took me to 1 stone once in those 3 years. O16. R16 is a move that would make sense here. Okay. So both these moves make sense, right? B hurts a white group while taking the corner. A hurts a white group while getting out with thickness. So they both make sense. So we need to find a way of seeing which one is more valuable, which one is more powerful. So let's check it out. Let's start with A, because that comes first in the alphabet. If white does nothing, it's over. White's entire position is gone in that area. We have to call that pretty darn powerful. Okay, well, let's try the other way. Well, not so bad. Not bad at all. Downright playable. So, A is more powerful. It's doing more work. And notice it's double sente. And that's the key. So if we play this way, I can just play this move. It's still sente. Black's going to want to, what, get out? Well, maybe white will defend now, because white got an extra move in there. So, we'll go with A without voting. And we'll follow a nice basic idea here. This is just how it would be, right? You hurt the weakness. Okay. So where for black here? This type of black group is hard for you to deal with. Yeah, a lot of people feel that way. Because basically it has no eyes. And that can be a problem. Push, I think Firewolf means A. In regards to A, is that a double sente move? Not double sente. It's sente. Let's look at the sente. Black's outside thick group gets outside and thick. That sounds a little redundant. White's top group, which is not alive and has 3 points, virtually gets alive with more points. That's how that exchange, black gained virtually nothing. White gained something substantial. We would prefer to be out and play here. That white group's not safe. Okay. So we'd no need to push that I can see. And now and then I remind you guys, all it takes is the 9-don to walk in the room and say, what's he talking about? He's an idiot. A's the only move. And then we go, oh, shygost didn't know what he was talking about. A's the only move. And the 9-don tells us why. So, as I've said so many times, I'm not here to tell you the right move. I'm here to teach good thinking. How do we find moves? And this is the thinking. Not perfect thinking, but it's good, strong thinking. Okay, so let's remove A. What moves come to mind? These come to mind? Is that right? I find moves. To find moves, it has to 9-don. One of my, I was playing Fang Yun once, and said, because it was over the internet, and I said, hired Judo today to come in and play my moves for me. She got all excited. Really, that'd be great. She's like, oh no, I can't play him. Oh, no problem. Oh, please, I'd love to. It was great. Okay, so 4 ways of getting out, and 1 way of trying to get a base. Which does this, let's start with D. That looks kind of like an odd move. All the moves, that's the one that seems different. One of these things is not like the others. One of these things just isn't the same. Okay, so is D good or bad? And why? Attacks white, defends the group. Sounds good. Any other ideas? Helps white more than it helps black. Okay, let's see if that's true. Let's look at Black's position. He's out and thick. What is he now? Out and less thick. A little more out, less thick. Is he significantly more out? No, he was way out before. He's still way out. He used to be thick, and now he's not. White sure got help. So black got almost nothing. Yeah, white got a lot. So we can erase D. Sometimes D is necessary, but not in this case.